Kids, I have to tell you something. There's one part about our dads. Why our dads are drunk? Well, let's find out. Why are they're drunk? Because military too long. That's how only people can stay in the military for only 2 years or 3 years. If you're staying under 3 years, you drink beer. Some that drink alcohol and some that drink. Listen, kids. Not everybody can get some emotion with their dads. Why dads are drunk? Because they've been in the 2 years of military or 3 years. And since when they went to war, like what happened to Portugal, they had to drink alcohol. The Congo versus the Ugandans versus Angola, we take through. So this is the reason why our dads are drunk, because they usually been in the military for too long, like the Zaire versus Angola war. They should not drink waters. Instead, they can drink some beer. And probably the Russian war takes some place when the United States. Why our dads are drunk? Because they've been in the military too long. And see you later. Goodbye. Hi guys. It's Security 2. How to be safe. How to be safe. Become security only for kids too. To be safe again, you might use some passion strips. You use pranks. Step 1, call the police. Step 2, don't open the door to strangers. They might come in vans or walk there. Step 1, they are a bad guy. Step 2, bad guys can come for you and bring you in danger. Step 3, what crime was happening? Well, crime happening. The devil time is 3 a.m. and the devil's number is 3. Listen. You notice, people, that there have been crime everywhere. Newsbreak is telling the truth. There have been crime everywhere. Like, what is this? Like, how people was doing something. We're not responsible. We're not working hard for our golly shit. Kids, you know, grown-ups are not working hard as police. Criminals are escaping. You should listen to me. Criminals are escaping. Why their own way and why their own kids. If there's a criminal on your house, lock both doors and lock windows. Shield them and hide in a place. Turn off your lights and be quiet. The stranger will not and bust down your door because you're like a military, so you didn't know that they're strong. They work in prison. They're fast. They can hit. And all this crime and hurting people stuff, we need to fix that, kids. Remember to be safe. And if you're safe, you can be alive. Like cities are terrifying. Like New York almost have 500 crimes, 50 crimes. How long that is? That is nothing. So don't forget, be safe. Turn off your lights. Lock both doors. Follow these 6 rules. If you have security materials and security animals, you can use them as forces. And if you can use them for forces. Call 911. Call the popo and lock both doors. Lock both windows. Turn off your lights and hide in a safe spot. And board your windows. Goodbye.